So, Noah, we've been running kind of low on money.
Okay.
So, if we take a look at last month's earnings, we got 0.0001 cents.
Didn't you just get paid last week?
So clearly, we're running quite low.
How did you?
Look, Noah. All right, we gotta expand our business. All right. So I had the idea.
Fine.
What if we start an ice cream truck? Gonna ask Squirrel some. All right.
We're starting this now?
Yes.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, let me Google ice cream truck. Ice cream truck PNG.
Oh, you're gonna do the music? Oh wait, no.
No, I can't.
Paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit.
The hell?
Fix. Okay, thank you.
Bro, just stop play. Don't play it yet. Don't play it yet.
Okay, hold on. I was just liking the music.
Okay. Ice cream truck.
What is going on, boys? It's been a hot. Oh my god.
Hi, Squirrel.
Why? Why?
No. Pause the music.
When did this start? Like, when did you just start doing this?
So Squirrel.
Yeah.
We were riding around the block, all right, and so I'm just saying, you pulled up to the ice cream truck. So come on, tell me, what flavor ice cream do you want? All right, what do you want from the ice cream truck?
You can get the. But you can get everything.
Hey, yo, I'm recording.
Oh, sorry. Oh, go ahead.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. All right. So we're gonna get ice cream cone PNG, and then we're gonna you know what?
Yeah, get that one.
Just-
That looks really short, but all right.
I mean,
I feel like he's gonna complain.
Okay. So we got a cone here. All right.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure he asked for mint ice cream, so we're just gonna and then we're gonna copy image. All right.
The best song ever. Bro, what are you adding?
Whoa, what do you? He wanted a mint.
Yo, what else do
Wait,
you
he
want?
wanted a mint chocolate chip ice cream, right?
I want
Yeah,
cookies
yeah.
and cream on top.
You want cook? We don't. Do we even have enough?
Wait, guys. All right, so and then we're gonna be nice.
One top?
Two scoops.
Oh.
All right.
Good thing you didn't hear that.
What?
Put the white stuff on top.
The white fudge? White fudge?
Yeah, totally white fudge.
Whipped cream, right? Whipped cream PNG. Alright,
Honestly, I'd be very terrified if I heard that at the end of my hallway.
For real.
Bro, why is the ice cream truck music so scary, bro?
There's an actual movie where
Hey.
Yeah. What?
Oh yeah,
Hey.
that's a lot better.
Hey.
this one's not as scary. This one's
Yeah.
better.
We got so you ordered mint chocolate chip, right?
Bro, the PNG
What the
picture.
frick is that thing?
Yeah, bro.
Dun, 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 dun. I take children into my big white van.
Whoa.
What?
Huh?
What?
Yo.
Say something?
What?
Okay.
All right, let's just drive
No,
away.
no,
Come on,
no,
go.
okay.
Just drive away.
Okay. Yeah. You're the one that you're the driver. Why are you telling me to drive? I'm the
Okay.
you know, so thank you for, you know, pulling up to the ice cream truck, alright? So,
I have a gun.
wait, what do you want? What do you...
I'm on the terrorist watch list, by the way.
Okay, what do you want from the ice cream truck?
Alright, just, you know what, just ask for whatever you need. As...
I want your money.
Oh my god, we don't even have any money. Because we forgot to ask for money from the last person.
Okay, you know what?
That seems like a
look,
you
look,
problem,
look,
not me.
Look, I'll send you...
Come on.
No, look, I'll send you all of the money I have. Trust me. You know, as a matter of fact, let me show you how much money I have.
I only take Bitcoin.
Oh my
What the?
god.
I need money.
Why are you like this?
Okay, alright, just show him. Tell me how much you
Show
got.
me the money.
Days, but
Bro.
Okay.
that's how much he
That's
had.
not enough.
We could give you this is, you know what, we could give you the entire ice
I
cream
can give you
man.
an RTX
I
30.
need more than that.
You need more than our entire ice.
Yeah, I need to buy a
I'll give you a
plane.
3090. You want a plane?
You wanna
Yeah.
play?
Okay. Oh, you talking about a flight simulator, right?
No. I want to load it with bombs.
What the hell? Look, can we negotiate? All right, you don't have to gun us down. All right.
Why not?
It's a ice cream truck. What do you mean, why not?
Because it's an ice cream truck.
It's ice cream. It's
No,
not a
you-
bomb
don't
truck.
talk
It's
back.
not a. You don't.
Yo, he's pulling out the gun. So who is our next customer?
Siphon?
All right. So we're pulling up. All right. So we're pulling up with the new ice cream truck whip, and bro, just look at that.
What kind of?
It's our armored ice cream truck, bro.
Well, I mean, we're getting ready for it, so. Just saying.
Hey, yeah, hey. Okay, hello, thank you for coming to our lovely ice cream truck. So what may I help you with?
Can I have some dark chocolate ice cream?
Dark chocolate ice cream, you said?
Yeah.
Dark.
Alright, Cole, do you know what to do? Get the dark chocolate.
Okay, it's time to make ice cream. Come on, boys.
Do you want a small, medium, or large?
Large.
Large.
What the f.
How?
Okay.
Okay, alright. So, let's just say,
Yeah, let's just act like that's large.
yeah, he doesn't know our other size, so
He doesn't know. Even
Alright, so then, because it's a big ice cream cone, we're just gonna...
Extra
the rest
large.
of it doesn't even fit, bro. It doesn't matter.
Oh wait, you gotta pay us. Yo, give us the money
Oh
now.
yeah, okay.
Alright, hold on. Let me get the money. Let me try to find it.
Yeah.
There.
So,
Hold on, I'm trying to find it in my wallet.
How broke are you? I mean, sorry, nothing.
Hold on, I'm finding the money, man. Alright, okay, bro, I'm just gonna give you my whole wallet.
Wait, what?
I'm-
Oh my god!
Thank you. All right,
Thank
that's
you.
the whole day.
Alright,
Thank
you know, you cut that up, and I'm gonna continue on the ice cream. Alright.
All right. Do you want any like more toppings? Like
Yeah, can I get some sprinkles?
Oh, you want some sprinkles? All right.
Take note of the order.
Okay. Sprinkles. Flakes. Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. All right.
Um,
Oh, that money, damn. You want some golden apples in it?
No, I'm good.
All right.
you know what? Why don't we add peanuts for flavor?
All right. Yeah, add all the peanuts. All right. Right.
What is going on behind that truck?
Yeah.
Nothing.
sir.
It's fine.
Anyways, you know what? Let me put on the music again so all the kids can come over.
Okay.
Why
are you singing along to
Sorry.
You know, we're just trying to be inclusive.
Trying to hear the music, not you.
I'm sorry.
What else was on the order?
He wants sprinkles and flakes.
Why
Yo, what's going on? Hey, yo, what's going on back there, man? I'm just trying to have ice cream. I didn't know having a bird.
No. What bird? Birds, birds make nice chirp sounds. I don't know why they would make that. We're just adding, extra sprinkles.
Do you live in your truck or something? What is this?
Actually, you know what? I'll add only a single. Alright?
I mean, you already have some in there, so you might as well just add more, like
Sure.
one more,
But yeah, just one more. Add up to really add up. Since add up.
Oh, look at that. Just hide it in the middle,
No, I want to make it.
He'll be so surprised.
Yo, look at how nice it looks. Oh, it's gonna
Mm.
be so nice.
Wait, why does that actually look good? All right, here you go, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Hold on, let me. Oh, this is pretty nice. What? Wait, hold.
Oh, you okay?
You good? You good? Guy, he passed out. He passed
no.
out. He passed.
Yo.
Yo, you good?
I kind of wait. You put peanuts in there. I forgot. He could be allergic. Oh my god, no.
Why did you tell me that? Wait, check if he has any more money. Check if he has any more money.
That's the whole wallet, you idiot.
Bro, look at the amount of money on it. Bro.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
All that money.
Okay, so now we
Alright,
learned
let's
how we
have
gotta
it.
ask for it, if they're allergic, and we got tons of money. We're no longer
Bro,
bankrupt.
we already, bro, we have enough money for like if 20,000 people came to the ice cream truck now.
Okay,
So
what?
like we good.
That's
Might
it
as well
for
just
today, alright?
go home.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're going home for today.
Bro, why it look like you're using a Mac? Oh, never
It's
mind.
gonna be this super skinny cone with like one thing of.
Why you want to make it
One thought.
like skinny?
Why do you-
want to
what
stick it
the
up
hell?
somewhere?
Uh,
Where are you trying to stick it up, huh?
Why are you like this?